Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we got Kingston Properties, not a company we speak about a lot, but they are making some moves, been raising a lot of equity in the markets. We saw an article recently where they said they're actually going to be raising some more equity in the market, but we're waiting to see what's happening there. But they raised a tremendous amount of equity. They even had a end of year, December 31st, CEO newsletter or a CEO release talking about management discussion analysis, something new. So Kingston Properties making a lot of moves in the market. Next up, we got Barita Investments here. Barita Investments, Jamaica's pretty much largest investment bank. When you think about shareholders' equity, the balance sheet, 27 billion Jamaican dollars and change or so. We're, in this case here, a director resignation or resignation of director. The legend, well-known, the former owner of Barita, lots of respect due to her. That's Mrs. Rita Humphreys-Lewin. She's resigned as a director of the company, effective just the other day, January 27th, 2021, due to personal reasons. Now, NCB Financial Group, ticker symbol NCBFG, advising of a board meeting date. NCB, one of the few or pretty much only, big financial companies, commercial banks that does this. An advisor here on the JSE website, jamstockx.com, that the board meeting is coming up February 4th, early February, folks, 2021, to consider and release its unaudited financial statements for the quarter ended. Next up, we got NCB Financial Group. Not many companies do this, or the big financial houses, but NCB does this. It's a good thing. It's transparent, advising of a board meeting to the JSE, that's the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So the advisory is about ticker symbol NCBFG, NCB Financial Group, that a board meeting is coming up early February, February 4th, 2021. And at this board meeting, what's the purpose? To consider and release its unaudited financial statements for the quarter ended December 31st, 2020. Apple Inc., Apple Incorporated, continues to soar. Smartphone sales, quarter best ever. Huge numbers here. Now cash, although it's down year over year from 207 billion US dollars, just a freak figure there, huge number, but the cash is up, quarter. So cash now 196 billion or so, just under that number, but it's up 3.7 billion US dollars. Last up, you'll see it all over Twitter, all over social media, just all over the network TVs, all over everything. GameStop, whether it's up, down, whether electronic trading houses are restricting trading. The point is the phenomenon up more than 700% or so on Reddit. 3 million members, users. They call them rookie traders. They're probably not rookie traders anymore. These guys are probably experts, guys, ladies, whatever it is. The bottom line is talk about persons engaging in trading during the pandemic. So it follows a trend. We've been talking about it. Digital, faster tech, the impact on technology, on everything, and what is happening here. Mackenzie really spoke about it. Technology, the pandemic, moving the world forward. Something like 3 months are just getting it done, like making the feeling of 10 years in 3 months. And we're talking about 3 million members here. Huge company, Melvin Capital, that was crushing it in the hedge fund market, managing 12 billion US, had to cover their position. They won't disclose the loss that they took, but the bottom line is they got to get their friends. They had to have their friends inject something like 3 billion US dollars into Melvin Capital to keep it going. They got short squeezed as well. So talk about real numbers here, 3 billion US dollars to come into Melvin Capital, and they had to close out that position. As the famous phrase is right now, Main Street versus Wall Street. Main Street is winning, but in today's news, with the restricted trading coming into interactive brokers, Robinhood, whatever you want to call it, seems like Wall Street is trying to make a comeback. We'll see how this ends up tomorrow and going into early next week and see who wins this battle, but it's interesting times right now on Wall Street. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.